Hi everyone. Well, I decided to get little Amaya out into the sunshine today, and let her have a little bit of time out and to see if her colours will show up a little bit better outside rather than inside. But we're kind of directly in the sun, and she's kind of directly hiding her head, of course. As I said, the brightness is not Amaya's idea of good fun. So I'm going to let her find shade, and she's just likely to disappear up under the blankets, little Amaya. But Amaya is an albino Darwin carpet python, and she is a tricolour. So in saying she's a tri, she has the very beautiful just yellow, then she has the white bandings, and then she has the orange whatever you want to call them, stripes on her. So very, very beautiful. And she's more lemon, pretty much from there up is sort of more the lemon, and her head is very pale head, but beautiful. They're a very pretty snake, and a lot of people do have them here. I think one of the favourites in colour, and my daughter has just arrived. I know my grandson was staying home today because he wasn't feeling very well. So
if anybody didn't know you had a snake in front of you, they would think.
there you go. If anybody didn't know there was a snake actually down there, and I'm sitting here talking away like I am, they think, what is that woman doing over there? Okay, I'm a loony anyway.
I can see his from the back of your head.
Yeah, I probably do look like a loony, and a lot of people actually call me that, and excuse the dogs, of course. They're excited to see Taylor arrive, and I think my grandson is going scootering, though you're not feeling very well, are you? Oh, you're feeling better now. Noah got a great scooter for his birthday, didn't you? Hey? So it just sort of gives you an indication of just how long. Okay, guys. Okay. Oh my goodness. They will not be quiet. They've got to greet everybody that... Hello, Chase. Hello, Chase. How are you doing?
I got spoiled last night.
Oh, did you get lots of new things, did you? Hey? Lots of new bits? But yeah, see?
Yeah, we went to Kmart.
Okay. You get to see her all stretched out. Just, she's getting there. She's not a little one anymore. Just seemed to take her a while to get some size on her, which she has in length, but she's only eating and she's going, I'm taking off. Like, this is great. Stop getting out here. I'm just going to go around to greet her as she comes out the other end of this trampoline. little ones move a whole lot faster than the big snakes, guys. And Amaya is very quick. Even when I'm handling her, she is go, 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 go. She just wants to go, and you know, her head is just pink. Not that you'll be able to see that very well, but yeah, she can move and keep moving. This little girl. So yeah, I wanted her to come on out as well, as I do with all my snakes. Amaya is no exception. We'll see. I just touch her on the tail and she will go like almighty. This girl. And I'm going to pick her up.
Does she bite?
No, she does not bite.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I never touched this one ever, I don't think.
Well, there you go.
This is my... I can't look.
Oh, well, you have to kind of look to see where she is,
What
darling.
if she wants to bite me? What if they just don't like somebody, though? Can that not be
Well,
just
I
like a
don't-
dog?
No, I don't believe that to be true unless you do something terrible
But you
to
know,
her.
dogs can
sense
that they don't like
sense-
somebody, and
sense a little bit of fear in people, I think, and uncomfortability, and that all they be is feeling a little bit uncomfortable themselves. But certainly, you know, my snakes have been so socialised, Taylor, with being handled as much as they have, that
but so's dogs,
yeah.
and they can just turn around and not like somebody. I'm asking
but
if
we're
snakes
talking
can have that
about-
same sense, that same.
Yeah, but no. Unless you give them a reason to distrust you, and you realise that with a dog too a lot of the times, don't you? That somebody has done something to make that dog feel afraid. Because even when a dog...
I don't want to be on camera, so.
that I'm just keeping it down here, darling. You know, a dog will more often than not bite out of fear or protection to their owner in their life, and you know that's how Jet is. You know,
That's why I asked.
very much like that.
Or just like Cleo, she loved
Yeah.
everybody, but it only just took the odd one person to walk through the door, and if she didn't like you,
Yeah, and
there
they
was
have
only about 2 people out of her whole life that she ever did that to. So
yeah.
and they never did anything to her. They would just
No, I just know my snakes sometimes can feel more insecure with some people than other people, but the insecurity isn't about biting. Like Jesse, you know, no intent to bite, but can act like he feels very insecure with
What type of snake is she again?
She's the albino Darwin.
I think I might like this vanilla. I like the colours.
They get pretty big tail. You know, you just
Damn
want
it.
a little one.
Well, I'm getting a house now, so I can.
Yeah, I know. But you need a bigger enclosure and, you know, bigger feeders and...
Noah was having big negotiations with his auntie and uncle the other day about your spare enclosure that you've got.
Oh, yes.
They've already got plans in their head what they're going to use it for. You don't even know.
No, I don't know.
So Noah was arguing with them, going, no, that's mine when I get my snake.
Yeah.
They want to get a rat to put in it.
Oh, I know. They can get a rat by all means, but...
So you can imagine Noah telling me the story. They didn't want a bar of what I was saying. They didn't care that I want a snake. Taylor, Mum.
Oh, well, I think I've already promised it to Noah,
Yeah.
so I'm not going to disappoint him and say no. But anyway, guys, Amaya's gotten some time out, and that's all I really wanted her to do, and so you could see her and just how much she has actually grown.
I just hate that.
And we're looking to make sure he doesn't get bitten by any little green ants out here. So guys, children, snakes, and I'll say, you know, take care of yourself and your family, your friends, and of course,
Not on me.
no, I'm not, I'm doing her head.
Yeah, well, let me move it.
She's right there. I'm not showing you, I'm just showing the back of your neck, doll. There she is.
10 minutes.
So, your snakes, guys, take care of them. Ciao.